All right, what is going on, everybody? It is a scorcher out here today. It is hot. It is July the 13th. It's a Wednesday. It's 99 degrees and sunny. And I can feel every bit of it. So we just hopped on the bike, got to run into town, pay the water bill. I guess I could have went in the car, but let's save a little gas money if we can. So I started teaching summer school Monday on July 11th. I also became a bachelor on the 11th. So I'll be a bachelor from the 11th until the 14th. My wife, my daughter, my mother-in-law, and my niece, they loaded up the car and went to the beach on vacation. So I've been by myself since the 11th on Monday. And I have been taking care of dogs. We have a dog and a cat. And my mother-in-law has 2 dogs, so I go over there 3 times a day and feed them and let them out. But they're supposed to come back tomorrow, the 14th. So, and I tell you, our dog, he's just like a different animal. You can tell he's depressed that his mama is gone. She stays home and he's with her every day, 24/7. So you can tell he's ready for her to get back. Now the cat, I don't think she really cares. But I can tell the cat's been a little more clingy on me. She's pretty clingy on me anyway. I think she likes me the best out of everybody. So, but yeah, I started teaching. It's pretty fast paced during the summer. I had an online class that started back in June. It runs all summer, both summer sessions, but this one just the second summer session. So that class has been going pretty good. It starts at 9:45 and it ends at 11:15. So I drive to Ruston. It's about 35 minute drive for me to get to work on the interstate. And I have been playing my Oculus Quest 2 headset. I've been playing those games. Got a bunch of games. Still love it. Finding more and more that it can do. I get on there and play against my brother in mini golf. And we played last night and we tied. Really, I think I won. And I'll tell you what happened. We both ended up finishing 9 under on the mini golf. Well, I was sitting there looking at the hole and I was holding my putter down in my hand. And when I looked at the pole, at the hole to see where I was going to hit my shot, the putter came around and accidentally hit the ball. So that costed me a stroke. So if I wouldn't have done that, I'd have beat him. But that game's fun. You can get online and you can play. We actually got my we got on there and played the mini putt-putt. My brother and his oldest son, he's 17, we all three got in a room and played. We've done that a couple of times. I took my Oculus to my parents' house, and my brother and my nephew, and I let my dad play my headset, so they three got on there and played. And then I bought a real golf game where you actually get on the course and play. And let me tell you, it feels like you're on the course playing. Now, when I first got that game, I was shooting 23, 25, 28 over par. And so I've been practicing, and today I shot 1 over. That's the best round I've had. I didn't screw up a hole. So yeah, I've been having fun playing that. They have a poker game where you can get on there and play Texas Hold'em, and you actually feel like you're sitting at the table. You got to, I mean, you grab the chips with your hand and throw them in. You got to pick your cards up and look at them, all that stuff. And if you hold your hands together, you can take your whole stack and push it in, you know, to go all in. So I mean, it's something. But yeah, and I saw that on Amazon Prime Day, they had one of the Oculus headsets on for $50 off. It wouldn't have done me any good because I got the more expensive one. It was the cheaper one that was $50 off. And I've actually, ever since I got the Oculus, I've been exercising more. We got a exercise game for it, and I tell you, it works you out. Yeah, it's called Les Mills Body Combat, and it's basically boxing. You've got targets coming at you, and you got to hit them based on the color. The gloves you have on are 2 different colors, and so whatever color target comes at you, that's how you got to hit it, and it's different strikes. But I tell you, it'll wear you out. So I've been doing that and feel better, so that's a plus. Quite a few cars today. And then of course I got that climbing game. That I haven't been playing that game too much. I'll play it every now and then, but it's stressful playing that game because I mean, you're all tense when you get finished playing it because it feels like you're on top of a mountain climbing. And it's funny, you're standing on the floor, but when you're playing that game, I mean, you got your knees bent and you're just all hunched over thinking you're gonna fall. So it's amazing how real it feels. And then my daughter, she played a demo of Beat Saber where I'm sure you've probably seen advertisements for it and stuff. It's where you got the different color swords and the blocks come at you, and you got to cut them as they come at you with the right color, and you got to swing right. Well, she played the demo and she said, "Daddy, can I buy this? I'll Venmo you the money." So she bought that, and she loves playing that game. But yeah, I think every now and then I might throw a video up of me playing the Oculus I can record the screen. I can cast it to my computer, and then I can screen record it. And it's supposed to pick up the sound and everything, so I might record me playing a round of golf, or might record me and my brother and my nephew playing against each other in mini golf and put that up. I'll still do the bike videos, but you know, maybe in between or something, do that. You know, I don't know, you might enjoy it, might not. I tell you, I am thirsty. I got to get me something to drink. We got some of that, you know, that little powder mix you can get for the individual bottles of water. We got some of that. We got the Gatorade Zero. So that stuff's pretty good. It's cheaper than buying the stuff that's already mixed up. To me, it doesn't taste much different. But yeah, we're almost here to the water place. There's a car behind me. I don't know why they won't pass me. I don't know why cars do that sometimes. But I will say this, I haven't really been riding my bike as much. Haven't really been going anywhere, that's the thing. You know, haven't really had any errands to run. Oh, there was an electric on that post right there, and I think that's the same one that's up there at that grocery store. He must have rode his over here too. And I can't remember, I think I said it in another video, but I talked to him in the store and they said it is somebody that works there that owns that. So, I thought that's pretty neat. Well, I guess we're gonna be stopped at this red light. All right, car, go, 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 go. And see, well, there's some cars there. You need to get you one. So we got that done, and now we're just heading back home. This car's going to get ahead of me, and I'm glad, because last time I was up here by myself, it wouldn't pick me up on the sensors on the lights. I sat through like 2 lights. Now, if he'll just pull up so the sensor will get him. All right, so it picked him up. I didn't think it would. He was sitting way away from the light, just putting along, driving real slow. I tell you what, it feels good to get back on the bike. I really enjoy it. There's that bike. He's got the 2.0 version. My wife just texted me asking me if the dog's okay. Wouldn't it be something if she worried about me like she does the dog? No, but no, that dog, that's her baby. You know, we're just about home. I don't know. Somebody from Vicksburg, Mississippi's calling me. Have no idea who it is. I've been getting a lot of spam calls lately, even when I'm at work or going to work in the mornings. They all say spam risk. But no, I'm just about home, so I think I'm gonna call it a video. As usual, I will leave the camera running in case something exciting happens. And I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I will see y'all in the next one. Later.